With fall around the corner and kids going back to class, now is a great time to visit your local NAPA AUTOPRO service center to make sure your car's up to task. Here's what we'll look at to make sure it's ready for your school runs and daily commute. Depending on your driving habits, most batteries will last 3 to 5 years. Your NAPA AUTOPRO technician will inspect, clean, and test your battery and let you know if it needs replacement. Brakes should be inspected every 4 to 6 months. Have your NAPA AUTOPRO technician inspect your pads, rotors, and calipers so you're confident that your car has full stopping power. Your suspension should be inspected every 20,000 kilometers and replaced every 80,000 kilometers depending on driving conditions. Your NAPA AUTOPRO technician will look for leaks, uneven tire wear, and excessive play in the steering so you can be confident your car rides, turns, and stops like you expected. Oil is vital to your engine's life and performance. Oil is cheap, engines are expensive, so have it changed by your NAPA AUTOPRO technician when required. Any warning lights on your dashboard? NAPA AUTOPRO technicians will inspect your airbags and other electronic safety systems like lane keep assist and auto emergency braking so you can be confident they work if you ever need them. Visit your local NAPA AUTOPRO service center to get a full report card for your car or click the link below to learn more.